Model 2021 Fiat Fiorino Tecnico 1.3 Multijet 80 Eu6D, Temp, body, white, panel van. Mileage, 39,725. MOT, the 19th of May 2025. Engine, 1248 cc 225A2000E6D Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,895. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.